In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can stop people from downloading your Instagram Reels. You can disable the download option on your Instagram Reels in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines right here and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, you will then have to scroll down into the section of how others interact with you. Select the fourth option of sharing and remixing. On this page, you will have to scroll down to the very end on the option of allow people to download your Reels. Disable this option off. When turned off, no one will have access to download your Reels, the original sound of your Reels and remixes. That's how easy it is to stop people from downloading your Instagram Reels. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.